Good morning. It's 11 degrees. It's 5 to 9. It's a Sunday. And we're off out again. And as you can see, so far, oh look at that. Very nice. So far, it's lovely. Pissed down yesterday, absolutely monsoon weather, so we didn't venture out yesterday. But if it stays like this today, we can put up with that. I'm off to meet up with Steve. Nick's not allowed to come and play today, so he's on the naughty step. So it's just us two today. Howie's got wanker's cramp again. The phone's got its condom on. It's got a butt plug shoved inside the USB-C port. So hopefully no more cock-ups for getting the phone soaking wet.
Well, that works, doesn't it?
My little charging station when I'm on the run. Yeah, it's all set in foam, look, so stops it all flying around. Plus with those 4 USBs that are in the box power. So I've got 4 fast charging, let to charge everything on the go.
So where do you keep your leisure battery?
Lovely. Do you know what? There was so much less faffage this morning, and I think, I mean, the only thing that's different is we haven't got that wanker from Yeovil. I reckon he's the cause of all that faff, you know.
I think he is, yeah.
Fancy not being... We came second to a tip run, though.
Well, it just lets you know where we stand, doesn't it?
Yeah, can't believe he's dropped us for a woman. And a bag of rubbish.
Indicator noise.
I don't care, because they turn themselves off.
Yeah, it's not your fault. Yeah, I mean, bikes always come first, don't they?
Fucking got to, haven't they? Got to.
I think I've got us finishing up at Lidl down here, because I was trying not to...
Put it too close.
Yeah, we got one crossover, and that should be alright. And I'm...
Yeah, see, mine's saying left
there, yeah.
Why on earth would we go up there?
I don't know. It's I blame the bloke that bloody planned it. He's sneaking past me while I'm rubbing my visor. I've got second exit, which should take us down the main road, shouldn't it?
The sun's still quite low, isn't it?
Yeah. But we should be going down through Clouds Hill, down to Southampton, through Corfmullen Way, Wimborne.
Where are you taking us, eh? West Stafford way?
Yeah. I've got to remember now, it was last night when I planned it. I've had a sleep since then.
Oh, well done, Mr. Mercedes. Obviously a biker.
Yep.
I do like that on the adventure helmets. You just dip your head that little bit and that peak keeps that sun out your eyes.
It does, yeah. And I do miss that. But I'm not looking at crash helmets today.
You're not?
Well, I might try the LS2 carbon on.
I was going to say, I bet you fucking do. If they've got an LS2 carbon in there, try it on, because I say,
yeah.
Andy's flogging his. We had an itchy pussy once. Actually, we had an itchy pussy Shogun.
Yeah.
3 litre, and then we had the Outlander. That was a good motor.
Right, yeah. Well, I was going to get a Pajero when I was towing my van around, but...
Well, that's what ours was, a Pajero, 3 litre V6. It was an imported one.
Yeah.
And every gadget going. Oh, fucking thirsty though. Jesus, when they're thirsty.
Yeah, the fuel gauge goes down as soon as the rev counter goes up, doesn't it?
Yeah, mind you, I used to drive it like a twat.
No.
Because it sounded nice when you was winding it up.
Bloody expensive to fix though. They used to have bloody head couples, didn't they?
Yeah. And it had one of those big bull bar crash bars on the front.
Yeah.
That's probably why it used so much fuel, because of how much that fucking weighed.
I think most of them did. They had bull bars and the old Civi spotlights.
With that brand new Duracell battery in my key fob, it's still saying, oh look.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely jubbly.
You had to do it, didn't you? At least you weren't bouncing off the rev limiter. I don't bother with this because no one can hear it anyway.
Like a singer sewing machine purring away.
It is, isn't it?
Came to a crash out here one night. It was only single car, so he was obviously blatting it.
Yeah.
And he was where is it? Just there. He was on his roof there. And when we got there, matey boys just sat outside the car, sat there waiting.
Having a fag and another beer.
I said, what's happened then? Going a bit quick? No, I don't think so, mate. I would say, well, looking at that, I'd think you were.
Yeah. Of course, you hit a verge like that, it's going to flip you straight away, isn't it? Thank you. I was expecting it that time.
Are we going down Dick of the Banks?
I don't know, we're going down towards Cloud Hill. We got sort of, yeah, sort of left and a right here.
Dick of the Banks.
That's the road.
What a name for a road, isn't it? Dick of the Banks. Oh, I was thinking, you know the other day when you said, yeah, but...
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, stick there.
Stick in the road.
He might be Stick of the Banks. Oh, fucking hell. There is a car on the horizon, but you'll be alright. Used to be good grubbing there, I don't know whether it still is.
Yeah, well, they got that camping and caravanning club site right next door, and a lot of them used to use it. So.
Yeah, well, that one, I think was the one further up, wasn't it? Was the one where Top Gear did their camping episode where they caught fire to the caravan and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, why not?
Okay then.
Go in behind the Kia.
Yeah. I mean.
Now, have you got it going straight on, or we're going right?
We got left. No, yeah, right here. Sorry, my left.
Yeah, your left.
Yeah.
This is going to be right in your face down here.
Yeah, I do apologise. But it is a nice road.
Yeah. So what do you reckon Nick's doing now? Is he sorting, like, recycling into other bits? Is he dismantling tables, chairs?
Well, I think he's probably be emptied by now and refilling with other shit you don't need. His reaction to that, his comment will be, I was pulling a fucking GS out of the skip.
Gutted though, we come second with a trip to the tip. But I mean, that day that we had out the other day with Nick, you know, the bloke that's not allowed out today, you remember him?
Yeah. Vaguely, yeah.
Yeah.
He's the one that left us for a woman, wasn't it?
Old Steptoe, he was a rag and bone man, wasn't he?
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I got 5 videos out of that and can probably still get more. What goes on up here then? Is that this mobile roadblock causing all this aggro, is it? Oh, look at her on the scooter, look.
Go on, get down there.
Ah, no, push bike. A cyclist.
Take it back, camper van driver. Do apologise.
Still a wanker.
All clear out this jazz.
That's a Civic.
Is it?
How dare you call that a Jazz?
They faff by the roadside, they faff in the rain, fiddling with gadgets, it's all in their lane. Cameras are clicking, mics on the ground, phones in their pockets, they're nowhere to be found. They faff in car parks, helmets askew, digging for keys in the depths of the blue. Jackets have zip, gloves in their hand, lost in a moment no one understands. Oh, the bike waits, the road's calling